This is a short video for anybody who's just purchased, or in the last few weeks, if you've just purchased a budget type drone and you'd like to shoot some footage of that drone from the ground, but you don't want to spend a fortune on a GoPro or a Sony or a Panasonic or any of those things. So this is just a video about two little cameras that I recently purchased. And this was the first camera. It is a small attachable camera. It cost 30 euros. It's got an SD card and it comes with a pair of sunglasses, but you can attach this little camera to any glasses you want. It's from a company called Jussian. Unfortunately, it's out of stock at the moment, but I'm sure it will be back in stock at some point. And yeah, this is it's a very handy little camera, because like I said, I've put it on my my own glasses, which are prescription glasses, and you really forget that it's there. So if you want to go out and do some recording, it's a very simple method. It also does very good audio. You've got these two buttons. So this button, the nearest one to the lens, you just press it and hold it down for a few seconds, and the camera vibrates once, and then you press it again and the camera vibrates 3 times, and then you're recording, and then press it again and it switches off. This is the other camera, a little more expensive. This cost me 50 euros, and this is the Mobius. I will say straight off, this is a much better camera than the one I've just shown. You can see at the back here, it's got this little slot for the SD card. It's a small camera, and it's very easy to attach to a baseball cap. That's really one of the reasons I got it, because I wanted to be able to use it pretty much straight out of the box. I didn't want to have to start figuring out what attachments and what kind of clips and belts and things I needed to buy. I wanted something that would be usable straight away, and this is pretty much usable straight away. It's also a pretty good value now. It's a few years old, and if you look around, I found my copy for 50 euros, but you can find this camera for even under 50 euros, and believe me, that's a good deal, because this is a very good camera. Attached to my baseball cap here, it does come with a piece of Velcro, which you actually get in the package. Just need to kind of line it up so that you're kind of relatively straight here, so you're not kind of recording at an angle. And don't forget to take off the you can see there, I've still got the protection over the lens, which is a very good thing if you want to put the camera in your pocket or whatever. But like I say, the camera, you can see there, it's just so easy to use. You just you take the piece of Velcro and you just attach it to your baseball cap, and you're ready to go. And that's it, you're ready to go. How was that? This is some footage from both the cameras. The Mobius is on the left, as you can probably tell, and the other cheaper camera is on the other side. It doesn't have a, the Mobius has a wide-angle lens. The other camera has got a more narrow lens. Probably doesn't have as many frames per second either, but still, for the price, I think it's not too bad. Like I say, if you can only afford 30 euros and you want something very simple, then hopefully that glasses camera will be back in stock soon, or maybe there'll be something else on the market that will be similar to that. That was my wife interrupting me. I think I'm out of range, am I? That bit of me talking there, actually, that's the audio on the small little camera that you attach to the glasses. The audio on both of these cameras is very good. Yeah. Here we go, if I can throw it.
And this next clip is just to show what. There you go. That's me, and you know, I'm wearing both those cameras now, but they're pretty discreet, pretty subtle. And they're very easy to carry around and stuff. So that's really what I was looking for, something really simple. I didn't want a big camera strapped onto my head. That's very awkward looking, and these two cameras are very easy to use. Obviously the GoPro one, and obviously the Mobius one obviously is a lot better, but in this clip the camera on the left bottom side, that's actually the glasses camera, and the other one on the right side is the Mobius. And so yeah, there you go. If you just want to get started filming your drone flights, like I say, and you're on a budget, that's just an idea of what you can get out there, that you don't have to spend a fortune.
There we go. Good landing.